Hey, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is the bergsalz expandable travel backpack. I've got it in this beautiful purple color. If you're looking for a travel backpack, this is really going to fulfill all of your needs. First of all, it's really well made. I've been able to travel with this and I haven't had any problems with any seams ripping. It's very sturdy, it's very easy to open the zippers, no issues there. You also have so many compartments. So if you like to travel as organized as possible, then this one is great because it really has a place for everything. You have specific sections for your documents, your shoes, your clothes, your toiletries, your electronics. The electronics pouch is padded for all of your devices, and you also have these straps on the side that can help shrink the size of the backpack and prevent someone from reaching a hand in. You also have a port to add your emergency charger so that you can easily charge your devices on the go, and you can see it fit perfectly in the overhead cabin of the airplane and counts as a personal item. It's nice and padded for your back, so if you have to wear this through the airport like me going on a long trip, then you're definitely going to want that extra padding. And you have a nice pocket at the bottom that's great for putting your passport or any sensitive documents in to make sure that nobody can access them. It just looks so stylish when you're all packed up in this beautiful color and this really sleek design. I highly recommend trying this backpack out. I think you're going to love it and it's going to fulfill all of your travel needs. But that's just my point of view.